Good morning. Welcome to MB Option Trial. This is Shiva. Day 58 of 2.5 lakh to 6 lakh challenge. You can see I just entered. Let me place my SL, then I'll give you the analysis behind the trade. Below I'm placing my SL. You can see this is creating a morning star pattern and breaking the 200 EMA. That's why I entered and I'm placing below this morning star pattern. Let me give you the analysis in spot chart. You can see past 2 days market continually trending and try to fall. You can see it try to gap open and again fall. Yesterday also continue fall. Today market open heavy gap down. Reason behind, I think the social reason, the H1B reason maybe. So you can see it open and continue bullish and fill the gap. I always tell you gap always work as support and resistance. You can see the same place 200 EMA taking resistance. You can see in 1 minute time frame taking rest and creating evening stars. So the next once it give me confirmation, I then enter. You can see in 5 minute time frame also it creating a bearish angle fin. This is going to be our first target mostly. It going to be fall. And let me place your ratio spread how much we're gonna gain in the particular trade. Above we're gonna place our SL. It's going to be very small and tight SL because the first trade. You can just give me a second. Okay, above. I just place above. We'll try to take at least day low. At least we won't try to achieve 50% of this trade. Okay, you can see it mostly 1:13. Great. At least we want to take at least 1:50% of this. Okay. Okay, you can see option chart try to fall, but the 200 EMA going to work as a heavy support. Once it break the 200 EMA exit, you can see as expected breaking the door and below candle opening. So high chance is going to be down. And you can see spot chart also try to create a green candle. It might be chance take resistance. Okay, that's why exited. Once you take resistance and once I give me confirmation of retracement, we're going to re-enter the same trade once again. You can see this is it. Let me show you the order books and position. These are the order books, the entry and exit plan. This is the final position. We want to re-enter the same trade. Okay, re-enter the same trade as said previously. You can see. Let me replace our SL below. I can see a double top pattern, double bottom created in option chart. That's why I enter. I'm breaking 200 also. One more reason I just entered. Let me give you the spot chart analysis. You can see at the previously we exited. There might be chance for retracement as we expected. It taking resistance from the exact 200 EMA and 5-minute time frame. In 1 minute time frame also you can see it breaking 200 EMA again taking the resistance and fill the gap also above the 400 EMA also it taking resistance. You can see if you want we can hold the particular, but we don't know exactly how much high it gonna make. That's why we exited. Okay, you can see same 400 EMA resistance. You have to accept your result. You have to exit whenever you think is going to be a reversal. You know market on the superior. It might be chance for continue bullish. Survey that's we have to accept result. We're gonna re-enter the same trade. We can see we re-enter the same trade as we expected given retracement, and below we go into our target. Let's wait for it. You can see the trade got confirmed. Avoid creating a one more candle and insert pattern. So that's why updated in 5-minute time frame also it break the 200 EMA and creating candle above. So highly confirmed it's going to bullish. In spot chart also you can see it candle opening below the 200 EMA. It has to be continue for in case it above high confirm is going to be bullish trend. There is no bearish trend. That's why update on my trial set. We have to update your trial set. But now market give you confirmation. Okay, you can see we just updated our trial as you can see. It was too close to fit our sir as we expected. Our trials got triggered. Reason you can see. Let me show you these spot charts. Spots are still bearish, but you can option chart you can clearly see. Literally it cover entire candle. So the high chance for a retracement or the consolidation expectation. So that's why we have to update our trials as expected. It given a good profit. Okay, back to break even. Let re-enter the trade. You can see, let me enter on sell side. Okay, just enter. You can see I sold the call option. As I said previously, I'm expecting the bearish trend, but I'm expecting high confirmation. They're going to consolidation because last few days is going to be more trending. So I'm expecting a consolidation. You can see it taking resistance after a continued fall and taking resistance and creating a one more red candle created a bearish angle if you had expectation. So that's why I enter on this 200 EMA resistance. So but I am expecting good fall, but not directly. It might be consolidation or retracement, volatility market also. That's why I entered on sell side. You can see 1 minute time frame also. It break the 200 EMA and took the resistance and same again creating a same pattern and repeating the breaking the 200 EMA. That's why I entered on the particular trade. You can see once the candle below, we're gonna update our trial SL and we can our first target also and consider, and this is going to our second target. We'll wait for the candle close until this true first target. We're not going to update our trial SL or SL. Above we're going to place our SL mostly. It has to be considered between the below only. In case of our actual break, the high confirmation high above the consolidation. I'm just placing our SL. Let's do it. Okay, guys, as I said previously, once it gave me the first target break, we're going to enter. But you're going to see the after we enter, it try to bullish and create a multiple swings. Then we'll break the downside. It highly confirmed. It has to be break the down. In case upside breaking highly confirmed, it's going to be bullishness or you want to be a range bound market. So that's why I updated my trial lesson. It has to be as we expect. It's going to be consolidation market only, but we expecting a slow bearishness also and lower the formation. That's why I updated. Let's wait for candle close. Okay, I can see I expect ready to break the low. That's why updating my dry laser once I enable the candidate. It has to be fall in case the high chance by the day low takes a day low as a work as support and take the retracement. So that's why I again updated my dry laser. Once it break the down, we can expect a good fall from down. You can see again I will be expected our first target triggered. That's why updating more. Okay, why it's not updating? So let me cancel this one. Okay, I'm gonna pull this one. You can see our first target are triggered. Are expecting our second target going to be hit or might be consolation. Let's wait for it. We're gonna at least make some decay also. Okay, again it try to break our target. So that's why again updated our trial lesson. It might be chance for consolation. Still we wanna make some money because the decay is so good because tomorrow going to be expiry nifty expiry, so we can expect a good decay also. That's for candy close. And most expect might be this is the last target. Okay, as we expected, this is not our last target. As we expected, we try to break the our trial is too close. Okay, our trial is got to get. Still, I'm not going to exit our hedge position because there's a rapid move. We can expect a good move upside also. So our hedge is going to be increase. We're not going to lose much in our hedge also. So that's why I'm waiting for the candle close. Once I give confirmation, I'll gonna exit my hedge. Okay, I try to bullish. Okay, try to move upside. If I'm gonna exit our hedge, it's going to be there no okay. You can see try to bullish. If I want to exit right now in my edge, there is no premium. So I can say try to bullish. That's why I'm going to exit my hedge. Let me show you my hedge position. You can see. So look, I'll expect a hedge, give me a good premium. So that's why I exited. So, okay, you can see these are the final position. Like this is going to be our order book. Let me refresh once. You can see this is the final position. So heights on the one, it going to be consolation. They are volatile day. I don't want to trade much today. So shut up. I'm done for the day. See you on next video.